What is up everyone? Welcome back to our channel. In this tutorial, you will learn how to create an animated background using only HTML and CSS without any JavaScript or jQuery. This technique is useful for enhancing visual appeal of web pages, making them more engaging for users. First, do this code in the index.html tab. Make sure that you do this code in index.html tab accurately, as you can see in my video. The reason is I say this accurately, it's because most of the time, one mistake in coding will result in disaster. So do this code carefully. After doing this code in index.html, let's go to the style.css tab and copy this code. Same thing as the index.html tab, where you need to copy this code accurately or it will become a disaster because one mistake will affect the whole coding most of the time. After doing this code in the style.css tab, check the results, and you can see this is the result of your creation. As long as you follow the coding, if you watch the whole video. Coding in HTML can be complicated most of the time, but if you understand how the coding works in CSS, you can do better than this animation in the near future without breaking a sweat. There you have successfully created an animated background using only HTML and CSS. This technique allows you for creative and dynamic web designs without relying on JavaScript. Experiment with different gradients and animation effects to enhance your projects further. For more advanced animation and effects, consider exploring additional CSS properties or integrating other CSS techniques. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up. And don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.